and welcome back to my channel. I really hope you guys are doing great, and in today's video I'm going to share a review on Refresh Skin Science products that I've recently got my hands on, and I am really excited to use how these products are. So if you want to know what are these products and how they work on my skin, then keep on watching this video till the end. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the little bell icon to never miss any update. And if you haven't followed me on my Instagram, please go ahead and follow me. My Instagram link is in the description box and handle is somewhere on the screen. You might find it out. So without talking further, let's just jump right into the video. So before getting on with the review and the skin application, the first thing that comes to my mind is the packaging of the product, and the packaging is really amazing. The containers, the inner containers and the outer boxes are really very good. They are very clean, very simple and very easily to go on with, and it looks very aesthetic if you keep it with aesthetic background. And also one more thing that I really like about this range is all the products are cruelty and vegan free, and they are 100% dermatologically tested, and especially they don't have an artificial fragrance. If I talk about the face wash, serum or like any other product, they don't have an artificial fragrance, which I really enjoy, because when I buy a skincare product I try to check whether it has any fragrance or not. So I really like that part as well. And also these products can be used at any skincare time, like if you are using it for a daytime skincare routine, it will work, and also if you're using it for nighttime skincare routine, it will definitely work. So you can use this at any time, and also these are super budget friendly. So if you get a product finished by like very quickly, then you can definitely buy another product. You can definitely try out with their websites, or you can go to the Amazon app and get your hands on this product. So now let's get on with the application, and let me tell you how I felt about these products. So the first product that I use while my morning skincare routine is the Refresh Skin Science Foaming Cleanser with Puracell extract. This helps in hydrating my skin and it helps in deep cleansing, and this is like very easy to use. As you can see, there is a soft bristle type applicator. So I will just start off by rubbing the cleanser gently on my face, and if you don't want the applicator, then you can just simply pour the foam on your hand and rub it against your face. After rubbing it for a few seconds, I will wash my face with lukewarm water. I don't use cold tap waters in winters. If it is summer, then I will just use a regular tap water. Right now my face is feeling oil free but a little bit dried up, so I'm using the next product as the toner, and this is the Refresh Skin Science PHA 3% alcohol free toner. I will just simply apply it on my face and let it sit for a while. I will keep it like this. I'm not going to massage or try to make it under my skin. I'll let it do the things by itself, and after that let's see how it looks. So after washing my face with the face wash, my skin felt a little bit dried up in some special areas like this one and this one, but after using the toner my face is feeling really very hydrated. Even if I touch it, it feels like I have applied something on it. But now I will move on to the next step, which is the serum. Lastly, for the serum, using the Refresh Skin Science Hyaluronic Acid Depenthenol Face Serum. This is really very hydrating and lightweight for all type of skin, and after applying it, within few seconds it will give a plump to your face. It can be used in both morning and nighttime skincare routine, and you will see the changes instantly. So overall, I really like all the products that I have received, but the serum is my personal favorite because it is really very lightweight. Despite of being a hyaluronic acid serum, it is very lightweight and it gives a plump on my skin. And one thing that I really enjoyed about this range is they don't even have a exact kind of fragrance. They do have a slightly fragrance which can be workable in a skincare product, and also all the products are absolutely affordable. And after applying these skincare products products you can also do your makeup. Like the way I applied the skincare product like the serum and the toner, and then I did my makeup and it worked wonderfully. So I really like using all of their products very much, and if you are interested in checking their products, then check out the description box. The link to their website is mentioned down below, and you can get your hands on their products, and also you can buy them from Amazon as well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful, and if you do, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for more such contents like this. And if you still haven't followed me on my Instagram, please go ahead and follow me. My Instagram link is in the description box and handle is somewhere on the screen, you might find out. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one.